Hey, you want to take pictures? Ooh. Go right back to it, right back to it. Yeah. Not the whole line. Yeah. Why would she go outside like that? If you're used to the outside, come into it from the inside. Yeah. He is really strong though, I think, like he...
She's not used to with you, something like him.
I wouldn't say that, I think it's just...
Yeah, I wouldn't say that. But
it's deceptive for his size. Like, you look at him and like, oh, he's a cute little pony, and then you run away with it, you know, it's tough. It's tough.
but there were so many people that got involved.
Yeah, alright.